Come test drive the 2026 Silverado 2500 HD. This pickup truck pulls unlike any other. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, hill descent control, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, skid plates, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance